Join me on an intergalactic artistic journey as we traverse 10 iconic sci-fi artists and their singular visions of the future. From the retro rocket ships of Chesley Bonestell to Simon Stalenhag's haunting 80s technostalgia, we'll explore the diverse aesthetics that shaped our collective vision of tomorrow. These creators defined sci-fi art across mediums like book covers, film concept art, comics, and more. Now let's blast off into the stylistic stratosphere of sci-fi. Ten sci-fi artists. Number 1 is Chesley Bonestell, known for influential retro-futuristic space paintings like Saturn as seen from Titan, and created iconic rocket ship designs. H.R. Giger, master of dark biomechanical surrealism in films like Alien, using airbrushing and painting to create sinister sexualized dreamscapes. Ralph McQuarrie, cinematic concept artist behind iconic Star Wars designs for characters like Darth Vader and sweeping cityscapes. Moebius, legendary French illustrator-author who crafted fantastical alien worlds in comics like The Incal with Surreal Perspectives. Chris Foss painted vivid covers for 1970s sci-fi paperbacks with massive spaceships and psychedelic cityscapes. Behold this retro-futuristic megaship hovering above a sprawling sci-fi cityscape, envisioned in the iconic style of cult artist Chris Foss. By using Midjourney and upscaling, we can zoom into this massive machine and uncover stunning intricacies. Look at the sheer scale of this spacecraft, likely housing thousands of passengers on interstellar voyages. As we magnify, the fine details emerge. See the complex patterns on the chrome hull plating, the jointed segments allowing flexible movement, the endless rows of illuminated viewports. Inspecting the midsection reveals dense clusters of technical components. Perhaps those glowing rods are radiating cables channeling immense energy to power-hungry systems. They appear to link various machinery, like the beating heart of this spacefaring beast. Panning up, we admire the graceful curves and mighty thrusters as this smooth leviathan soars silently through the cosmic void. The visionary art of Chris Foss inspires a retro-futuristic optimism, making the promise of human space expansion seem wondrously within reach. Now we effortlessly zoom back out, reminded how exploratory technology like Midjourney grants us license to visually probe, enhance, and immerse ourselves in speculative sci-fi realms limited only by imagination. What incredible new perspectives await as AI helps unveil incredible new perspectives on humanity's farthest horizons and beyond. Boris Vallejo, renowned painter who popularized hyper-realistic eroticized fantasy art and sci-fi novel covers. Number 7 is Syd Mead. His concept art and designs for films like Blade Runner established cyberpunk aesthetic of gritty neon futures. Eight, Simon Stalenhag, digital painter creating poignant landscapes where giant robots and machines interact with 1980s rural Sweden. This decaying metallic behemoth looms over a barren field, nature slowly reclaiming its forgotten technological might. Moss creeps over the iron limbs while flakes of rust shed like dead skin. Yet one senses this machine was astounding in its prime. Zooming in, we admire the intricate detailing still visible beneath the corrosion. Hydraulic pistons that once powered devastating kinetic abilities. Chest panels hiding fused wiring conduits. Joints that likely afforded dexterous movement despite the colossal bulk. Now just an imposing relic, silently watched by a passing child who gazes unafraid. For him it's simply always existed, the monumental made mundane. We withdraw and reflect on how Midjourney grants us license to visually probe cultures colonized by imaginary technologies and inspect the textured erosion of possibilities left abandoned. Nine, Katsuhiro Otomo, anime manga creator of Akira and its revolutionary cyberpunk visions of Neo-Tokyo. And number 10 is John Harris, created panoramic covers for classics like Ringworld, capturing alien vistas and massive universal scales. And that concludes our epic expedition through 10 visionary sci-fi artists and how AI can digitally recreate their iconic styles and worlds. From retro rocket ships to surreal alien landscapes, we've explored myriad futuristic frontiers. Producing these artistic AI videos is a labor of love, though extremely time-consuming. The process of carefully crafting prompts, tweaking generations, compiling assets, editing and post-production involves many long hours and trials and errors along the way. If you enjoyed this sci-fi artistic tour, please subscribe and share so that I can continue this creative endeavor of fusing AI capabilities with human imagination. I greatly appreciate your likes, comments, and suggestions on which artists or genres to cover next. Feedback helps me improve continuously. The march of technology opens unlimited possibilities when human creativity guides machine potential. Let's continue exploring where that path leads together. The future is a boundless cosmos full of visual wonders when we traverse it in unity. Until next time, may your journeys, both real and imagined, always inspire.